Hello guys, welcome to our video,
Now we will show you a short story with the title is
Cooking for the Family.
But before that, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Nikada Ayu Parwati and my partner.
I am Niko Mangisita Triandra Putri,
And we are from
12 Science 2.
And this is a story. Hi Isita, please get some salt so I can add some saltiness to this dish.
Okay sis, I see you are cooking such delicious foods that I am drooling.
Actually, I miss Aunt Sarah so much that I asked her to stay the night.
It means you have to cook so much food that we can eat together.
Of course.
What's on this table, sis?
It's chocolate cake, sis. I made such a big chocolate cake that you can eat as much as you want. Let's try.
Okay, this chocolate cake's so sweet that I don't really like it. I'm sorry, sis.
It's okay. I know Aunt Sarah so like that I made this chocolate cake.
Oh, I see, sis.
You like fried food, right? I will make you such crispy fried potatoes that you will eat a lot tonight.
Oh, thank you so much, sis. I love you, sis.
Okay, that's all for us.
Thank you.